another spot where, you know, Ford is, you know, kind of lacking with our protection of our vehicles inside, you know, mud and whatnot. Weathertech's got us covered though. Oh, you know, pull this thing up. These little tiny things. I mean, it's not going to protect nothing. I mean, you know, guys will be guys, right? We'll have it full of muddy feet and coffee and soda and whatever else we can think of, you know, to spill. Show just how easy it is to put it in. You know, I'm sitting here blabbering with my mouth, you know, holding the phone with one hand, and I'll install it with the other. You know? I mean, there we go. Nice and perfect. Now everything's good and protected. Muddy feet, beer, soda. As I said, you know, guys are guys. We'll find something to make a mess with, and this will keep the truck, you know, looking new and serviceable for years down the road. So if I didn't say it already, it's WeatherTech product. You just saw how easy it was to put in. Certainly recommend it.